was just by the way. All right, so Don General, nice one. All right, so now let's get on to another story. My people, Shatta Wale is shouting. In fact, I don't know why he's shouting because people are not really shouting. Even Burna Boy is not shouting. So, in fact, Shatta is saying that all the people where if you say he copy Burna Boy in his song, you people don't know music.
What?
He say they don't know music. Make we play. I beg you, make we play. That's when the cash out there we play before. So let's play the Burna Boy, then we play cash out next.
The one that they talk say they hear elements
of say still. Yeah, my people, make we listen shout.
But what should they think? What should they? Let me that I play the songs. So
no, you be the father of all DJs.
Here they.
you see my good. You see my good. You see, this is the problem you are having in this country.
No.
You can't look people in the face and tell them the truth.
Oh, but what be? I say, I dey leave and make we. No, you get what I'm saying.
I don't get what you are saying, Michael. How can I get what you are saying? I don't get what you are saying, Michael. You can't just tell me that.
Okay.
You see, this is the problem happening in this country that we are all talking about. It being this guy they talk about saying that life no good. That life is not good. It's not good.
Serious trouble, ladies and gentlemen. We are in serious trouble. We need to rescue this country, ladies and gentlemen. The presidency.
Hey. That would not be the one now. Anyway, my people. So, I don't know. You've heard the two songs. Me, I feel that the Tony Braxton beat is same.
The melody is tan 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 tan.
That melody is the same. Right, so I don't know what you think about it, but the tempo, everything sounded similar. I won't say it's the same, similar.
Yeah.
Similar differences there inside small. Right? So people, I don't know what you think about this, but Shatta is crying. He's shouting that all those who say he go copy Burna Boy, no music. All right, so let's hear Shatta Wale on his rants. People, we've just played what he's come to talk about. Shatta, you are ranting. Yes.
Anna, if you people alone, where you know how to talk, your own brother do song, the song they sweet you. The little go tell you say, he copy the Burna Boy, and he copy Burna Boy. Massa, make I tell you something. Make I tell you something. If you don't know music, you will just shut up. You understand what I'm saying? If you don't know music, just shut up. Can't do that. Say Shatta Wale they copy Burna Boy. Shatta Wale they copy Burna Boy. Forget everything. Everybody they sing. Forget everything. Everybody do music. You understand me? Everybody do music. The music where if you say you go to do, somebody to go to do one. You understand me? Don't see like that. Don't see like that too. Don't see like that. Come and tell me. That's why I say, so now when they talk your nonsense, they say, wait, you fool, wait, Jimmy, you see what you do this, it make the song say, it go far, people they call me, they say they won't call me for sure. You don't go make money, me I will make the money.
Very noisy laugh. Very, very noisy laugh coming from Shatta Wale. The noise in the laughter is too much. All right.
Oh, how?
What is that? All right, so people, Shatta Wale has spoken. I don't know what you think. All right, so Abiola agreed. Chief, we agree. Everything is under control.
Chief, big up yourself. We there for. Yeah, we there for.
We there for.
Bless up, Chief.
Yeah. All right, so Charlie, nice one.
And massive shout outs to one